Hey investors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate it. Happy Thursday when you guys are seeing this video. I'm sorry for the lighting or everything. It's dark where I live. I think it's about to storm or something. So excuse the lighting, but more importantly, let's do a Fidelity challenge update. But before I get into that, my name is Shalise. I am 41. I am a mom. I am a wife, I am a worker bee, and I am an investor. I'm in the trenches trying to get to financial freedom. So if you want some motivation, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe, and let's get into it. And also beware of scammers and fake pages, WhatsApp, the bots. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is, okay? Always confirm via my emails, always in the description box. So, wow, the markets. I like WOW exclamation point. Wow, 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 wow. Look, the markets have been on fire. Okay? On fire. To those of you who have been dollar cost averaging, to those of you who've been coming back and watching my videos, staying motivated, to those of you who are investing $1, $5, $10, $25, I want to stop and say congratulations because you are now understanding the psychology behind investing. It's really interesting once you understand buy low and red is good, especially in billion and trillion dollar companies, you're getting assets at a discount. So all of you who held, congratulations. Now, this is not to say the market won't come down because it could come down 5, 10, 15, 20%. But every time, if you hold on, if you are invested in good funds and in good companies, the market always comes back. So again, shout out to all of you. Enjoy the green in your portfolios. So today we're going to be doing our, like I said, $100 Fidelity challenge. I started this challenge back in December. It's for 2026. I wanted to get a head start on it. So I like to do things or start things in December, like to give myself that push, like the momentum to get started, to keep going in the new year. We are in May of 2026. The time is flying. You hear my snaps? That's time moving, okay? So you want to make sure you're doing something, okay? Denzel Washington said a great quote that I really love. He said, "Those who can do, those who can't talk about those who do." Now, which one are you? Which one are you? Are you just watching my videos or are you actually taking the golden nuggets and investing $1, $5, $10? Yeah, we all have bills. We all have life. We all have different situations. But if you're going out, if you are planning trips, if you're getting coffees out, eating out, nails, haircut, buying clothes, purses, shoes, self-care, you can invest a couple of dollars every paycheck towards your future. Okay, so now that I set my little spiel, let's get into this. So this $100 challenge, I made it very, really simple. I wanted to pick 3 funds, so no individual stocks, just 3 funds. And I wanted to split my $100 every single month into these 3 funds. I wanted 50% to go to growth. I wanted 30% to go to dividends, and I wanted 20% to go to international. So if I convert that to cash, of that $100 every month, $50 is going to growth, $30 is going to dividends, and $20 is going to international. And again, 3 funds. Very low risk, and it's just to show you that consistency with small amounts of money wins. I love investing challenges. If you've been following me for a couple of years, you know I'm the queen of them. I will start an investing challenge in a heartbeat because it's to motivate other people, it's to make it fun, and it's to keep you accountable too. And consistency. That's where most people fail. It's consistency. So let's look at May's update. So right now, as of May, I did my transfer on, I think it was May 3rd. On May 4th, I was a little behind because my daughter is moving out of her college dorm this week. So if you didn't know, I have a daughter away at college. She is done with her freshman year, y'all, finals, but we got to go up there and get her moved out. They want them kids out of that building. So, it's a whole lot going on with that. But nonetheless, we're still making our investments. So you can see right here, we're going to start with, let's start with the growth. So we're going to go with FNILX. This is the Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Funds. Think of a lot of your Magnificent Sevens, a lot of your AI-based, technology-based, bigger market cap or value-based companies, not value-based, but companies that are worth a lot of money, essentially. That's what's inside of here. So your Amazon, your Googles, your Teslas, Nvidias, Broadcom, all of those big giant companies, Apple, that we all love so much, is inside of this fund. And I love that this fund, each of these funds, by the way, not just this one, but each of them are under $100 as well per share. Of course, we can buy a fraction of shares of things, but with this challenge, I wanted to be able to buy a whole share because I'm investing $100 a month. So I want my $100 to kind of build up a little bit quicker psychologically. So if I can buy a whole share versus a fraction of a share, that's what I'm doing here. But of course, I'm a big fan of fractional shares. Use them if you have access to them. So like I said, with FNILX, the last price was $26.26. You can see the current value of this position is $349.23. You can see that total gain is about $23.68 or about 7.27%, which is excellent. Of this particular challenge portfolio, it's about 52.26%. And the quantity we have is 13.29 shares, y'all. Isn't this crazy? For something we started back in December, just putting $100 in every month, and I'm splitting it. So I essentially $50 is going into FNILX every month. We already had 13.29 shares already. Crazy, right? Moving on to FDVV. You know I love dividends, so I wanted to have a piece of my $100 going into some type of dividend fund. So 30% or $30 of that $100 is going into FDVV. This is the Fidelity High Dividend ETF. These are stocks or companies inside of this fund that pay a really decent dividend to its shareholders. I love that FDVV doesn't have a lot of risky, like those yield max high paying, high yield, dividend funds and stocks or whatever. FDVV is much more safe and kind of streamlined for investors, which I really do like. FDVV, the last price was $59.62. You can see that our total gain has been 3.65% or $6.61. The current value of our FDVV position in this particular challenge, we do own it in the Roths, but I'm talking about this challenge only, is $187.68. It's about 28.09% of this particular portfolio challenge. And we have 3.18 shares. Now keep in mind, this is almost $60 a share. So, I'm not mad at it at all. Then, of course, FZILX, this is international. I like to have a little bit of international, a smidget of international. That we operate on a global scale as a country, as an economy. And I want to have a little bit of, some of those good companies that may not be based here in the United States, though they may do business here in the United States. So FZILX was the last price anyway, was $16.77. This may be higher or lower depending on when you see this video, but when I'm filling it, $16.77. Our total gain is $10.20, or look at this, 8.44%. So look at this. Our return on our international fund is beating the other two. But look, green is green. I'm happy. You can see that our total position value is $131.10. And we have 7.81 shares. And look at this. You can see our total portfolio balance, or the value, $668.21. An average, we are up 6.45%. Claps. Again, this is low risk. Really, in my opinion, hands off. I only really look at this and come to this particular account when I got to make these videos. I love that it's 3 funds. So all of you who are big on the bogglehead methodology of just a 3-fund portfolio, I really like this for that as well. And, it's just so motivating to see this. And just when you get this started, you'll be able to watch this grow into something, in my opinion, much, much, much bigger. Let me show you guys this. This was something I shared on my Instagram stories. And my Instagram handle is always in my bio on my YouTube page. So you can follow me over there. I do have a blue check mark. But look at the 401k. Just the 401k. This is not Roths. This is not HSAs. We have a couple of those. We have a couple of Roths. It's my husband and myself. We have a couple of taxable accounts. And this is not including our kids' money. This is just the Roth. This is just the 401k from Fidelity right here. Simple target date fund, and then we started investing in an S&P 500 fund. That's it. something simple, low key. Our 401k is now a 501k. Actually, it's more than 501,000. You can see it right here. 507,000. We didn't put all this money in. We it's maxed out, but the purpose is compound interest. Compound interest. 41 years old, just with the 401k. If we put not a single penny more into this, if I turned off the contributions from out the paycheck and I put no more money into this, by the time we could actually use it at 59 and a half, this will be over a million. Just right here. Because you got 18 years left. Again, I'm 41. 18 years left about before we can access this. I mean, there's other ways, but ideally, this is the secret of compound interest. I didn't start early. We started at 30. Again, 12 years on this journey. I'll be 42 in September, Lord willing. So I wanted to bring this up to show you guys you gotta stay consistent. I cannot stress that. You gotta stay consistent, okay? Let me come over to my good old handy dandy spreadsheet. I made this spreadsheet to all of you who are in my investment planning group. You got this for free. And this is also available up on my website if you want to purchase this. I do make my own spreadsheets, trackers, anything you see me use, I make it myself. Because why not, right? I'm a creative. I love making things. Okay, so May is right here. We're done. We did our investments just so that I can track everything. I'm a big fan of tracking if you did not know. I didn't put any extra money this month. I put $25 in extra in April because the markets were horrible. But otherwise, I didn't put any extra money in back in December, January, February, March, and I didn't put any extra money in May. I only did it in April. So literally $100 went in. So let me cross these out because our investments were made and we can close the book until June. Dividends, we're in Q2 right now. So of course nothing paid out yet. So I would keep an eye on that. I have embedded in the spreadsheet the portfolio details. So if you see right here, like I already have the calculations embedded in. I have some, like a little bit of information about each fund just to come back and be able to reference it. I don't have to log into Fidelity or anything like that, which is really, really nice. So I just have blurb there. And some portfolio goals like how much did I invest in each of these so far? So $300 into growth, $180 into dividends, and $120 into international. And then I invested an extra $25, like I mentioned back in April. And this $25 went into growth. I am not doing auto investing right now because I'm making videos. And so far, we invested $625 of our own, but it grew, like I said. Let's see what it say. It grew 6.45% so far. And this is the current value of it. So we're growing slow and steady, wins the race. Before I let you go, again, I want to thank you all for signing up to my investing summer school sessions. I do this every year. This is the 4th annual version of it during the summer. So this will be May, June, July, and August. We start the end of this month. The first videos and emails will go out starting May 15th. So thank you to all of you who signed up, who took advantage of the pre-sale. The pre-sales do end next week. So if you want to join us, make sure you take advantage of it before the price goes up or before we fill up, and then I will close it off and you won't see it on the site anymore. So early bird always gets the worm around here. And just so that I can show you guys what you get, again, just to reiterate, this includes every month we meet live privately, and it includes a Q&A, so you can ask questions, you can stay accountable and motivated. I will send you all one mid-month private video, so I will make a private video and send it to all of the people in that group. You will get a weekly email from me starting the 15th of May, every single week, checking in. How you doing? What you buy? What you didn't buy? Are you feeling motivated? Did you invest anything? Did you sell anything by accident? Were you scared to get in the market? Those weekly accountability emails are motivation. And then I'm going to do a 50 share challenge with this group only. And I'm going to send you a digital download and a challenge spreadsheet. So that's always fun. I love spreadsheets. I love making trackers. You all will get that for free. And then replay. If you can't make it, you have access through your private links. You can watch it anytime. And like I mentioned, the private sessions are the last Saturday of the month in May, June, July, and August. Okay. So thank you again to everyone who signed up. I really, really do appreciate your support. Again, it's about making sure we are staying consistent. Most people fail at that. It's consistency. They'll start, they'll stop. They get focused on the amounts and not focused on the habit. It's the habit that you got to get under control. So if you want to join us, you're more than welcome to sign up. Information is down below. Again, you can watch my videos. I have a bunch of playlists. Thank you so much for all of your support, for watching the videos, for liking, subscribing, for hyping the videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me know down below something you bought this week. Tell me a stock or fund you bought this week. Tell me. Okay? Simple as that. Whether it was a fraction of a share, whether it was a whole share, whether it was 10 shares. Let me know what you bought. I love chatting with you guys below. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, you already know, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.